Is it time to buy or sell SOXL ETF? In this video, we will delve into SOXL. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 27th of March, 2025, and now we are here to offer you a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You will not want to miss any critical updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and access free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please be aware that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 25th of March, 2025, our system has identified SOXL as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.18. Now, let's examine the performance of this exchange-traded fund during this time frame. The ETF has incurred a loss of -13.58%. This results in an average daily loss of -4.53% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund lies in the middle of a very wide and declining trend in the short term, indicating a further drop within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately -33.62% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between -44.98% and -2.45%. Analyzing the longer term, our 12-month assessment indicates a projected change of -37.33%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from -71.94% to +69.45% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $4.98 and $30.09. Our latest daily update for SOX features the headline, "A very red day for SOX ETF price after a decrease of 5.48% during the Thursday trading session." The SOX ETF price dropped by 5.48% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 27th of March, 2025, moving from $18.79 to $17.76. This marks a decline for 3 consecutive days. Throughout the last trading day, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 6.05%, ranging from a low of $17.36 to a high of $18.41. Over the past 10 days, the price has decreased in 6 instances, resulting in an overall drop of 1.82% for this period. The trading volume increased on the last day by 8 million shares, despite the falling prices. This could signal an early warning, suggesting that risk may slightly rise over the next couple of days. In total, 101 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $1.8 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded price for the ETF was $70.08, while the lowest was $16.51. Currently, the price sits 74.66%, or $52.32, below the 52-week high, and 95.3%, or $360.48, below the all-time high reached on the 26th of November, 2020, when it peaked at $378.24. The Direction Daily Semiconductor Bull 3x Shares Exchange-Traded Fund, commonly referred to as SOXL, has experienced a significant decline, dropping 62% from its peak in 2024 to a current price of $26.30. This steep decrease can be linked to the diminishing hype surrounding artificial intelligence, reduced demand for traditional graphics processing units, and intensified competition from companies such as Google and Amazon, which are introducing custom graphics processing units that threaten to squeeze profit margins for leading firms like Nvidia. In the short term, these factors are expected to continue exerting pressure on SOXL's price, particularly given its high volatility and the considerable tracking errors it has shown against benchmark indices over various periods. Investors should proceed with caution, as these dynamics indicate that SOXL may not replicate its past performance gains. However, some analysts contend that the recent turmoil in the semiconductor market could offer a buying opportunity, as the fundamental drivers of demand for semiconductors remain strong. In the long term, if the sector can adapt to changes in consumer preferences and technological advancements, there may be potential for recovery and growth. Nevertheless, investors need to carefully consider the risks associated with investing in a leveraged exchange-traded fund, like SOXL, in the context of a rapidly changing market landscape. The following signals have been identified for SOXL. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 11th of March, 2025, and so far it has risen by 2.01%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot has been established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact short-term developments. The SOXL exchange-traded fund holds sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, contributing to a more negative outlook for the ETF. Furthermore, there is a general sell signal arising from the relationship between these averages, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance may be encountered at the levels of $19.67 and $23.17. A breakout above any of these levels will trigger buy signals. Volume increased amid falling prices yesterday, which could serve as an early warning, suggesting that closer attention should be given to the ETF. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 13 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 69 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 26 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 24 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 5 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 26 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 161 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SOXL. SOXL finds support from accumulated volume at $17.41. And this level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This exchange-traded fund may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this ETF is classified as high risk. Over the past day, the ETF fluctuated by $1.05 between its high and low, representing a change of 6.05%. For the past week, the ETF has shown an average daily volatility of 6.6%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SOXL. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOXL is at $17.99. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the exchange-traded fund, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SOXL encounters its first support level at $17.41. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. We have a negative evaluation for this exchange-traded fund, and no stop loss has been established. Is the SOXL ETF a good investment? The SOXL ETF currently shows several negative signals and is within a wide and declining trend. Consequently, we anticipate it will continue to perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Thus, our assessment of this ETF remains negative. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 28th of March, we expect the SOXL ETF to open higher by approximately 8.3 cents, starting at a price of $17.84. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.